Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today I am going to focus on Spanish English. Dear students, there are many languages all over the world, and if anyone wishes to express his feelings of mind exactly, he can take the chance of using any languages. Dear students, English is divided into two major parts like British English and American English. Besides, there are other deformed languages too. Among all the deformed languages, Spanish English is uh, a very important thing to be notable here. Dear students, the language of Spain is known as Spanish English. And the English which is deformedly used in Spain is known as Spanish English. It is no longer used by the people of other countries. It is only used in Spain. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.